Oh boy, time has come. Hitting the road. I'm gonna see you at Arrmageddon. Oh, everyone, it's been a heck of a day. It's been a long drive to get here. I got here like 6 a.m. I stopped at a place called Peaches, had a really wonderful breakfast. And then I went over to, I think it's Manatee State Park. Manatee, I forget. Sat there, looked at the water for a little bit, slept in my car. It's 1 o'clock, thankfully I got an early check-in. I'm gonna sleep. The first event tonight, Thursday night, is at 7. So we're gonna head over there at 7. It's supposed to be a party at 8 o'clock. It's supposed to be tech thing and I guess meet with Arma, so I don't know. And then then it's like movie. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay for the movie, but I'm gonna come back here, get this edited, and get this out tonight for you. I'm tired, so right now I'm gonna grab a shower and go to sleep. To the Freedom. Oh, wait a minute, where's my manners, everyone? Give you a quick room tour right here. So we got the bathroom. Got the cool looking mirror over here. That's a very awesome shirt in it. Microwave, refrigerator. I guess it doesn't fit in the cabinet. It looks a little high. But we have a coffee maker here, but you know a guy that's Cars Coffee Life can't use that. So check it out. Whole bean coffee, an electric kettle. This is actually like a French press. This is called an AeroPress. That's my coffee maker. And check it out. A grinder. Gotta have it. Check it out. Our temporary production central. This is where the magic's gonna happen. And not that kind of magic. But yeah, this is where we're gonna get the videos up and posted for you. Traveler tip. Always bring like a power strip with you. This one happens to be European. It's actually a European plug. And I have to convert it to 110, but I have adapters with it. But this thing takes 220, makes it 110 if that's what you need. But we got 4 USB ports, 3. Because like right here, once I plugged in this, I couldn't get the computer and that plugged in at the same time. We got a battery bank, blood pressure thing, because my blood pressure, I'm still trying to get the medicine worked out. Check it out. Cart full of goodies. Some awesomeness there. And there you have it. This is the only room I could get, 2 queens. So, on to Freedom Factory. Oh, we have arrived. And they're actually having like real drag races. That should be interesting. I mean, like not RC, like real cars. JTRC, Mark Santa Maria right over there, and probably some others I don't recognize. I don't know. He looks familiar. I can't place it. The guy in the gray. There's the Arma guys. But check it out. They're giving us pizza, sodas, and they're setting up the movie theater out there. Gonna eat. We're the damn at night. Look at
and
this.
120mm EDF, all running on 12S. This guy's got 2 120mm EDFs and a 5670 800 kV.
That looks like the
motor.
Batmobile.
As my wife keeps saying.
Dude.
And so with these 2 EDFs, it gives almost 40 pounds of thrust, and the car only weighs 25 pounds with batteries. So that plus the TP motor. Hoping to get it moving. And then this guy is my version of a supercharged Felony. So it's a Felony body on top of a Limitless chassis. I have an EDF here to do a few things, to keep the front end pinned on the ground. The air flows through the car to cool off the 2 TP 5670 800 kV motors. The ESCs, I'm running all these on airplane ESCs. It cools it and also provides thrust. So hopefully this car will stay on the ground and get some speed.
Yeah, it's just sick. It's so sick. You're like a mad scientist, dude.
That's freaking insane. Look at all this.
And that car, so my daughters, when they were young, we used to play Mario Kart, so I built that.
Oh,
a lot of fun of playing. And those are EDFs that actually work as turbo boosts. 3-position switch. You flick him and he takes off.
Dude, you're like the mad scientist, the RC here.
Yeah, I love to build. I love to build.
Wow. That is insane. I wish I would have seen this one. It's a little brighter. Hopefully people
You should
can
go
see
by
this.
Frankenstein, dude.
Hey,
Like Dr. Frankenstein,
like that.
dude.
I like
It's
that.
like you're just making it work, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
check it out.
Yeah,
Chef Beardsley ran into him.
Yo, what's up, man?
Check out his channel. Maybe we'll run into Mark later. He's over there. Wow, man, that's incredible.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's insane.
Hey, LTW.
Mark, nice to
Mark,
meet
you too.
Yeah.
Good to see you around.
Yeah, man. I think,
You did make a comment on my one video with the Max Slash.
so I'll have
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, I forgot what it was. I think you mentioned me. You said something about how I called out.
No,
That it was,
I didn't. I didn't
that was a
say.
good thing. It wasn't about me.
No, I didn't say anything about you. I just in my review just mentioned how like you're sloppy and fell over and all that.
Yeah.
And you. Well, you know, not a whole lot went on tonight. But I hope you enjoyed it. Got to meet Mark Santa Maria. Me, him, and Chef Beardsley. We probably just spent almost an hour out here just talking. Got that from Mark Santa Maria. He's a pretty cool guy. It was great chatting with some people. Like you saw, I'll try to video that his jet cars tomorrow. It'll be a little better lighting. But it's pretty cool. They provide us with pizza and soda. They got the movie playing over there, which I'm not gonna stay. I'm gonna get back to the hotel and get this edited for you tonight. But there you have it. You got some people camping out here. And I know GoPro is horrible. And I really wish they weren't drag racing around cars. So that'll be my my one thing. Because the RC cars do that. All right, everyone, appreciate the support. Stay tuned for day 2 and 3 out here. Appreciate you watching, the support. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch you on the next one.